Hello, welcome back to Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips win to win on round lesson 6 to get the free Excel file and also free support for round 1 and round 2. This is very important. You know that you can send the email to wincapsim2012@gmail.com to get the free support for round 1 and round 2. And also you can download the free Excel file under this video or ask me to send it to you, right? So you see the free Excel file you have, you can calculate IND, you can check that in the video of round 1. You see that, understand the industry condition report, and now you get the round 6 and also get the free support for round 1 and round 2. You need to have the right strategy from round 1 so you can get the top sale and top profit like you see on the screen. This is long-term strategy with 8 rounds, so round 1 and 2 most important, 1, 2, 3, and from round 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 you can get the top sale, top profit much higher than all the other competitors. So you also on the 15 lesson you see the understanding the game is as equally important as winning the game. You know what decision to make for each round, what part of the reports more important than others. You win 50%. How to update the product with a long-term strategy to win. How to set the price. What are the price of competitor? Why you set the price higher or lower than competitor? How to calculate the sale forecast to sell inventory, and then you win 80%. How to set decision for production automation. How to set decision for HR, finance, CQM. You win 99%. So that's very important. If you still need the support for HR, you send the email and also Q&A for through WhatsApp for any question you have. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.